Good afternoon, you're watching GK TV and I'm your host Shireen Naman. The J&K Integrated Disease Surveillance Program has intensified monitoring of respiratory illnesses across J&K for potential COVID-19 cases. While no cases have been reported from J&K, however, the Union Health Ministry has alerted the state and UT level surveillance units to watch the situation closely. According to the health officials, the state surveillance unit has directed field staff across the Union Territory to step up monitoring efforts in line with national guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Officials have stressed that while there is no current surge in COVID-19 cases in J&K, maintaining a high level of preparedness is a part of a broader national strategy, especially as several countries in Asia report rising cases. The IDSP in J&K, operating under the National Center for Disease Control, plays a key role in tracking communicable diseases through its extensive surveillance network. Rapid response teams are coordinated to respond to threats, and real-time data is used to monitor and manage disease spread. A recent high-level review meeting chaired by the Director General of Health Services on May 19 reaffirmed India's robust surveillance mechanisms, while expert teams from ICMR, NCDC and other agencies underscored the importance of continued vigilance and timely response planning. In Maharashtra, 2 COVID-linked deaths were reported, prompting the concern. However, state health authorities later clarified that both individuals were suffering from serious pre-existing conditions, nephrotic syndromes and cancer. The government has urged the citizens not to panic and to follow only official updates for accurate information. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 situation in Asia remains dynamic. Countries like Singapore, Hong Kong and Thailand have seen an upkick in cases. In contrast, Japan and South Korea have managed to maintain lower case counts through strong public health policies and high vaccination rates. Given the regional developments, J&K's health department remains on high alert, emphasizing readiness and public awareness as a key to prevent any potential resurgence. A GK TV report.